Welcome to Big 3 CCR. Your video will continue shortly.
Hello and welcome to Big 3 CCR. Today I will be opening a Legendary Duelist Season 3 display box. This comes with 8 mini boxes and we are going to open up all of them. So you're going to be able to see what we pull. This is offering a lot of Dark Magician and Dark Magician Girl support. Looking at the box, got the Pharaoh and Bakura. I pre-ordered this and I'm so excited to get into it. Let's pop it open. So I popped open the display box and it came with 8 of these mini boxes like these. One of these boxes, so you see that each box includes 2 Legendary Duelists Season 3 packs. Each pack contain 15 common cards and 3 ultra rare cards. So you're getting 6 ultra rare cards from a box. You get secret rare variant cards and one of several collectible dice. One of 10 secret rare variant cards are also in this. Choking hazards, small parts, not for children under 3 years old. But yeah, we're looking at this box. I love the box art on this. It's got the Pharaoh. We got Dark Magician Girl. Where's the Dark Necro? There's Dark Necro. I am so excited for this. These are all plastic wrapped too, so for collector's value, you get one, you get a display box, you open 6, and you keep 2. However, that's not how I'm doing it. I'm opening all 8 because I'll probably get a box and just keep it. But yeah, let me get the plastic wrap off these, and then we'll get into the boxes. Okay, since we are getting into this Legendary Duelist Season 3, and it's got that Dark Magician support, let's get some support from our friends. We got a premium gold rare Dark Magician. Gonna get him to watch over. Then we got this Dark Magician from a 2003-10. It's gonna sit up there. Then we have this Dark Magician. Okay. And then we have another premium gold rare alternate art Dark Magician. I'm so excited for this set. Let's just get into this box. Okay. So you pop it open. You get you can see in it. You get promo card. We got Elemental Hero Sunrise. Then you get your 2 packs. And let's see what dice we have. The first dice is, I think that's Junk Warrior, I believe. So we're going to close that box up, put it back in the display with the dice. Alright, let's get into our packs. Legendary Duelist. These feel like type packs, and I like type packs. So there's no pack trick on these because they put the rares throughout. So we have Earthbound Immortal, Evil Hero Malicious Fiend, Predaponics, Puppet Parade, Archfiend Empress with that red art, or that red name. Look at that. Let me know what you think about the red and blue names that you will see throughout this. There's a lot of good commons in here. Jalgan the Spiritualist, Dark Callin. Look at that. Ebon Illusion Magician. Oh, I'm shaking, sorry. D Oversoul. Gurnia with the blueprint. Skyscraper. Getting some Elemental Hero. Magician's Rod, good common for our deck. The centering on this set seems a little off. Heated Heart. And Supe Dustwalker. First pack, you can kind of see what we're going to be looking at throughout this set. So we have the blue names. That's different. We have the Ebon Illusion Magician, the regular gold name. And then we have Archfiend Empress in the red name. So you can see. Let me know in the comments below which name you prefer out of this set. I personally like the color names. I think it's interesting and different. So we're going to set those. Alright, second pack. Let's get into it. Speed it up a little bit. I'm excited to see what our promo cards are going to be. We're looking for that Liquid Soldier, I believe. Or Liquid Hero. Dark. Oh, Magician of Dark Illusion. Look at the art on that. Gimmick Puppet. Smile Action. Predaplant. I like the Predaplant cards. Spirit Message Eye. Neospatian Aqua Dolphin. Hero Flash. Malicious Edge. And then we got the Ebon Illusion Magician with the blue on the dark. I like that. Evil Hero Lightning Golem. Look at that. With the red. Looks purple on the fusion. Magician's Robe. Nice little common. Predaplant Draco. Skyscraper. That just makes... Honestly, all this hero support just makes me want to get the packs. The Power of the Element booster box that comes out on August 6th. Alright, so we have our second box. Oh, okay. 2 packs. Which one is this? Elemental Hero. Oh, messed that up. And our promo is Curse Necrofear. Look at the art on that. I remember that card as a kid, and this alternate art with how shiny it is as a promo secret rare, it's a nice pickup for one of these. 2 packs, and they are tight. Let's go. Tight packs, tight packs. No card trick, 15 cards per pack. Go, 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 glove. Evil Mind. And Dark Magician Girl. Necro Face. I like that for a banished deck. Spirit Message L. Scrap Iron Signal. Junk Converter with the blue. Winged Karibo. Magician of Chaos. Ooh, with the red on the Ritual card. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay. Zoma the Spirit. A Hero Lives. Sun Dragon Inti. There you go. There's another example. You get the red on the Ritual. The blue on the regular. I'm not really a fan on the blue on the effect cards. And then you just got that classic Dark Magician Girl. Hopefully we can get some of the blue and red name Dark Magician Girl. I would honestly like to have all 3 just for my Dark Magician deck. Predaprime Fusion. Gaga 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 Magician. Performapal Popper Up. Performapal Celestial Magician. Look at that art. It's a cool looking card. Magician Circle. Hero Flash. Evil Hero Malicious Edge. Illusion Magic. Gimmick Puppet. Dark Magical Circle. Good. That's a great magic card to have in your Dark Magician deck. And I've got the red art, or the red name. I'm okay with that. Cell Synchron. Performapal Celestial Magician with the blue name. Earthbound Immortal Uru. Roar of Earthbound Immortal. Supai Duskwalker. And Future Drive. Earthbound Immortal decks aren't bad either. So you're getting a lot of support of that. So I'm 2 boxes in. I'm loving these pulls so far. I picked this one, this display box, up off of TCG Player. Let's see. Oh, we just got the Dark Magical Circle dice. I mean, that's 3 different dice out of 3 different boxes. I'm not mad at that at all. But yeah, I picked this off of TCG about a month and a half ago. Paid a little more than I wanted to for it, and it took a little bit longer to get here than I expected. Elemental Heroes Sunrise. Promo card. And then we're in this pack. Predaponics. Perform Puppet. Preda Practice with the red. Emergency call Destiny Board F. Supe. Predaplast. Hero Signal. Eben. Illusion Magician with the classic name. Evil Hero Lightning Golem. Blue. Starving Venom Fusion Dragon. That's a nice common. Favorite hero. Oracle of the Sun, Generation Next, and Zoma the Spirit. Alright, second pack from this box. Perform Puppet. Magician of Dark Illusions. Smile Action. Evil Hero. Infernal Prodigy. Moon Dragon. Hero Flash. Earthbound Immortal. Spirit Message Eye. Junk Converter Blue. Winged Karibo. And a Tuning with the red. Add one Synchron Tuner from your deck to your hand. Then send the top card of your deck to the graveyard. It's actually not a bad card. Skyscraper. Magician's Rod. Great common for your... if you would just want to get some play commons for your decks. Your Magician's decks. Okay. This is the fourth box. Oh, did not mean to do that. Repeat on the die. And our promo is Predaplant. Please don't make me say that. Yovertum. Like the Predaplant cards. That's a nice promo, secret rare. So far, these boxes, they feel very rewarding, I will say. If I was opening this as a kid, I feel like I would remember this just because I didn't pull a lot of... Well, the packs that I opened as a kid didn't... Ooh, Magician's Combination. Blue. The packs I opened as a kid weren't as weren't as nice as these packs are. Like, you get so many nice cards. Predaplant, Chimera, Flesia. But then again, that means that there's going to be more prints of them, so they won't be worth as much.
Ultra
there we go.
rare.
Magician's Souls. This is the card I wanted to pull, and I got one in a red. Ooh, okay. There we go. That's... I'm telling you, a lot of these cards are just going straight into the Dark Magician deck. Because I'm trying to have a fancy Dark Magician deck. Fancy. Okay. Let's get into this pack. We have Gimmick Puppet, Smile Action, Chaos Command Magician with the red name, Predaplant, Necroface. I think this is a relatively expensive card. I liked using this in my Banish deck, Grand Maju, I believe. Predaplant, Chimera, Flesia with the blue name, De-Oversoul, and a Dark Magician Girl gold name. I'm not mad about any Dark Magicians we pull, especially if I can get a playset out of this. And so far we've got two and we're halfway through. If you've made it this far, if you could do me a favor and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, it would be appreciated. And we're in this box and we got the Dark Magician dice. That's the one I wanted from the dice. I'm not huge on the dice, however, I am trying to collect them all. Okay. Let's close that out. I think I've already shown off this promo that we got. We got the Predaplant. We got our two packs. These packs open so much easier. Wizard Dragon, Dimension, Predapine, Earthbound, Evil Hero, Inferno Wing. Dark Magical Circle with the blue. Winged Karibo. Satellite Warrior with the red. Alright. Pendulum Dimension. Oh, number C40. Gimmick Puppet. You can barely see the name on that. That blue. Oh, that looks sick. I like that. Predaplant. I think I have the full gold, blue, and red of that now. Perform Power Celestial Magician. That's a copy that I have. Okay. 3 more boxes. And that's 3 common die. It's 3 common dice out of 6 so far. So half. And then our promo is Yugioh, the D-Knight. Still haven't gotten my Liquid Hero or whatever it's called. I need one of those. That was a relatively expensive card before this set. So to get it as a promo would be nice. Gurnia Gold. Necroface. Spirit Message L. Evil Hero Infernal Prodigy Red. Elemental Hero Honest Neos with the blue. No. Okay. Next pack. Evil Mind. Magician's Combination Blue. Ebon Illusion Magician. And Tuning Red. Okay, so we have 2 boxes left. Let's just go ahead and... Oh, that one was actually set up like that. What? Dark Necrofear. And... Dark Magician Girl Dice. Nice. So we got Dark Magician and we got Dark Magician Girl Dice. I'm happy with that. We got another Cursed Necrofear. Let's see what we get out of our last box. We have our 2 packs remaining. Oh, we have a Hero Signal Dice. And then we have... Get those there. A Soul Servant. So I guess it is harder to pull that Liquid Soldier or Liquid Hero out of this, because I opened the display box and did not pull it. Let's get into these packs though. Hopefully we can get our Dark Magician Girls we want. Quick Draw Synchron. Red name. That's a new one, so I'm okay with that. Ascator, Dawnwalker. And Dark Magician Girl, blue name. Ah, yes. Alright, so now all we need is the red named Dark Magician Girl. Can we get it? Or can we get another Magician Souls? Dark Fusion. Archfiend Empress, gold. Necroface, Spirit Message L. Junk Converter red. Gurnia blue. Skyscraper. Got enough skyscrapers now for sure. Last 2 packs from our Legendary Duelist Season 3 display box. Evil hero, malicious bane. With the gold name. Dark magical circle with the blue. Winged Karibo. Performapal. Celestial magician red. I think I've got all three of those now. We'll go through. Last pack. Predaponics. Chaos Command Magician red. Ascator, Dawn Walker. Magician of Chaos blue. So here are our pools. We did get quite a few copy pulls, but I mean, overall, I think this set is very rewarding. I definitely recommend going out and buying it. Just, I mean, for the different colored names in itself. But, I mean, it's elemental hero support, it's evil hero support, it's earthbound immortal support. If you're a competitive player or you just like the classic game, then, I mean, or if you're just like me and you have a dark magician deck, you're gonna enjoy the support that this set offers. You see my magician's combinations, my magicians of chaos. I got the dark magical circles. I've got red, blue, blue, dark magician girls. Didn't get to get the red one, and then we did get a magician's souls, and we got a red. I would like to have gotten. I want to get a gold and a blue of this. However, I'm satisfied. We pulled it. We got 3 dark magician girls. I think our dark magician support back row helped us out. You can help us out as well by liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. Thank you.
Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.